Hello everyone. Let us learn about combinational circuit design. Under this, we are going to see how to design half adder and a full adder. Before that, what is a combinational circuit? Combinational circuit consists of interconnection of logic gates. Its output at any time is determined by the present combination of inputs. And you have one more logic circuit which is called a sequential circuit. It consists of logic gates and some storage elements. Its output at any time depends upon the present inputs as well as the state of the storage elements. Here we are going to discuss the combinational circuits, the design of combinational circuits. When you look at the block diagram of a combinational circuit, it consists of n inputs and it has m outputs, where m is equal to 2 power n. Any output in a combinational circuit can be specified by a set of Boolean equation. Now, how to design a combinational circuit? So, we need to follow certain steps to design a combinational circuit, which is called as design procedure. The first step is, from the specifications of the circuit, we need to find out the number of the inputs and the outputs and assign a symbol to each input and the output. Second step is construct the truth table. Truth table is the one which shows all the possible combination of inputs and their outputs. After constructing the truth table, write the expression for the outputs and obtain the simplified Boolean function for each output. And finally, for the simplified expression, draw the logic diagram and verify the correctness of the design, either manually or by means of simulation. Now, using this design procedure, we will see how to design a basic combinational circuits like half adder and a full adder. So, adder is of two types. One is a half adder, which is used to add two binary digits, and full adder is a circuit, combinational circuit, which is used to add three binary digits. Now, to design a half adder, we need to follow the design procedure. So, the first step says that from the specifications, we need to identify the inputs and the outputs. Half adder is a combinational circuit which is used to add two binary digits and produces sum and carry as the output. So, we have two inputs and two outputs. Second step in the design procedure is we need to construct the truth table. So, with two inputs, we will have four possible combinations. List out all the four possible combinations and write the outputs. To write the sum and carry output, we need to follow the binary addition. In binary addition, 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And when you add two ones, you will get sum as 0 with a carry 1. Using this, if you fill the carry and the sum column in the truth table of a half adder, we will get these values. That is, for example, if you add two ones, then the sum is 0 with a carry 1. If you add 1 plus 0, then the sum is 1 with a carry 0. So use this binary addition to construct the truth table for a half adder. After constructing the truth table, write the expression for the outputs. How to write the expression for the outputs? For example, to write the expression for the sum, you have to look at that sum column and find out the number of ones appearing in that sum column. We have 2 ones here. So write down its corresponding input combination in SOP form. The first one is appearing here. Its corresponding input is x bar y. X bar y. The second one is appearing here. Its corresponding input combination is x y bar. So write the output in SOP form. Similarly, write the expression for the carry. So C is equal to x dot y. Now already the expressions for sum and carry are in the simplified form. Hence, draw the logic diagram. Sum can be implemented by using an XOR gate because x y bar plus x bar y is the expression of a XOR gate. And to implement this carry, we require an AND gate. So using an XOR gate and an AND gate, we can design a half adder. Now we will move on to the design of full adder. Full adder is a combination circuit which is used to add 3 binary digits. With 3 binary digits, we will have 8 possible combinations. And again, full adder is going to produce sum and carry as the output. So construct the truth table for the full adder. Now how to fill this sum and carry column? First add 2 binary digits. For example, if you consider this combination, 0 plus 1 is sum is 1. To that sum 1, we need to add again this carry or the third digit. So 1 plus 1 becomes 0 with the carry 1. Sum is 0 with the carry 1. So use the binary addition to fill the sum and carry column. Then write down the expression for the sum and the carry from the truth table. So how will you write the sum and carry expression? You have to look for ones in that sum column. Find out the number of ones and write down the corresponding input combination for each one in sum of product form. We have 4 ones here. Hence, we have 4 product terms, which is written in SOP form. Similarly, write the expression for carry. Now, these expressions are not in the simplified form. So, we have to obtain the simplified expression either by using Boolean algebra or by using K-map. Now, suppose if we use the K-map method to simplify the expression, draw 3 variable K-maps, plot all the ones for each product term, try to group these ones. For sum, we will not be able to group the ones, so write the expression as it is. For carry, 3 possible pairs are possible. For each pair, write down its corresponding product term. So we'll get the simplified expression for carry as xy plus xz plus yz. Suppose if you use Boolean algebra to simplify the expression for sum, then from the first 2 terms, we can take z bar outside. So the remaining terms are x y bar plus x bar y. And from the third and fourth term, take z outside. So it is xy plus x bar y bar, which can be written as xy bar plus x bar y the whole bar, or the expression for sum becomes z exclusive x exclusive y, which means that we will be able to implement this sum expression by using a 3-input XOR gate or by using two 2-input XOR gate. Similarly, obtain the simplified expression for C. Now implement these simplified expressions by using logic gates. So sum is implemented here and a carry is implemented by means of 3 AND gate and a 3-input OR gate. And if you want to implement full adder by using 2 half adders, then this is the logic diagram which shows the full adder by using 2 half adders. So this is the first half adder and this is a second half adder. Thank you for watching.